Hello guys, welcome back to your new video. Today I will discuss DNA. DO has boronic acid. DNA is polymer composed of two instructions for the development, functioning, growth and reproduction of all no organisms and many versus DNA and ribonucleic acid RNA and nucleic acid alongside protein, lipids, and complex carbohydrate polysaccharides. Nucleic acid are one of the four major types of macromolecules that are essential for all known forms of life. The two DNA strands are known as polynucleotides and they are composed of similar monomeric units called nucleotides. Each nucleotide is composed of one or four nitrogen containing nucleobases, cytosines, guanine, adenine, and thymine, a sugar called deoxyribose, and phosphate group. The nucleotides are joined to one another in a chain biocovalent bonds known as a phosphodiester linkage between the sugar of one nucleotide and the phosphate of the next, resulting in alternating sugar-phosphate backbone. The nitrogenous bases of two separate polynomial strands are bound together according to the base pairing rules A to T and C to G with hydrogen bonds to make double-stranded DNA. The complementary nitrogenous bases are divided into the two groups, pyrimidines and proteinins in DNA. The pyrimidines they are thymine and cytosine. The purines and adenines and guanines. Both standard of double-stranded DNA store the same biological information. The information is replicated with two strands of separate. A large part of DNA, more than 98% of the human, is non-coding, meaning that these sections do not serve a pattern for a protein sequence. The two strands of DNA run in opposite direction to each other are thus anti-parallel attached to each sugar in one of the four types of nucleobases or bases. It is a sequence of these four nucleobases along the backbone that encode genetic information. RNA strands are created using DNA strand as a template in a process called transpiration, where DNA bases are exchanged for their corresponding bases, except in the cases of thymine, for which RNA substrates are unique under the genetic code. These RNA strands specify the sequence of amino acids within a protein in a process called translation. Within a eukaryotic cell, DNA is organized into a long structure called chromosomes. Before typical cell division, these chromosomes duplicated in the process of DNA replication, providing a complete set of chromosomes for each daughter cell. Eukaryotic organism, animals, plants, fungi, protists store most of their DNA inside a cell nucleus and nuclear DNA and some of the mitochondria as a mitochondrial DNA or in a chloroplast and chloroplast DNA. In contrast, prokaryotic bacteria and archaea are stored their DNA only in cytoplasm in circular chromosome. Within a eukaryotic chromosomes, chromatin proteins such as histones compact organized DNA. These compacting structure guide the interaction between DNA and other protein, helping control which part of DNA as transcript.